Alias Magical Art.
Hello everyone, it's Alia. Today I'm drawing a cute penguin.